Do a harder one. Do a harder one.
Hey, hold on.
4.
What's that one?
9.
Hey, what are you doing? A little crazy? That's not 9. Look, what is it?
Oh.
That's right. An O. What about this? What about this? Hold on. What about this one? What? A T. Good job. What about, wait. What about this one?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Do you know this one? W, huh? W.
It's a 2 syllable, so it's kind of
Say
hard.
W.
Do the one that's up. Do the one that's upside down of that one.
M? Here you go. M.
All right, done.
Okay,
Oh,
U.
Q.
Does he know Q?
He knows all of them.
Alright, let Daddy see. Let me see. I got a special one for you, Jake.
Let him have it. Good job, Jakey. Woo! Do a circle, Jake. Do a circle. Do a circle. Let Jake.
Hold on. What's that? Jake, which one's that one?
He wants to set up his little tree. Oy, puppy. A ver.